In December 2023, the Somali Bible Society released a highly anticipated census, focusing on ethnic Somali Christians in the Horn of Africa. This important census was conducted by the Bureau of Statistics of the Somali Bible Society. The majority of Somali Christians in southern Somalia are descendants of converts from the Swedish Evangelical Mission, who embraced Christianity between 1898 and 1935. The second largest group traces its heritage to the Roman Catholic mission work that officially began in Italian Somaliland on January 21, 1904, under the leadership of the Prefecture Apostolic of Benadir. This field-based census systematically documented the population of ethnic Somali Christians across Somalia, Somaliland, Djibouti, Ethiopia, and Kenya. Where possible, census takers met adult Christians in person. However, most interviews were conducted over the phone for security reasons via encrypted social media platforms. The census focused on individuals' professions of faith, recording the religion and number of minor believers based on reports from their Christian parents or guardians. Census takers did not interact directly with any children. The census findings indicate ethnic Somali Christian population. Somalia, 171,227. Somaliland, 7,642. Djibouti, 3,760. Ethiopia, 8,917. Kenya, 5,649. However, the census found that discipleship, baptism, and regular worship attendance are unsatisfactory. Somalia, Somaliland, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Kenya. The census also demonstrated a synopsis of the ethnic Somali Christian heritage in Somalia, Somaliland, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Kenya. Despite significant limitations, the Somali Christian census has been a success. Please get in touch with the SBS to learn more about the Somali Christian census.